Girl, quiet. Hi, guys. Welcome back to Colette's Corner. My name is Colette, and y'all will have to excuse my weighted blanket over there today. But yeah, a girl's in a lot of pain. My legs are hurting because my cycle is back like it's a demon. And yeah, so I'm having to utilize the weighted blanket for the last few nights this week and last week. So anyway, this is a revealing video. We have spoken about this tote bag before. This one, oh dear, I need lights. Computer, Ziggy, turn on light.
Okay.
Uh-huh, and that looks better. Okay, and I'm working on reorganizing the room, and I want to pick filming spots, so you guys will just have to bear with me and excuse my blanket, like I said. So anyway, we have spoken about this city tote. I love her so much. She's blue, my favorite color, one of my favorite colors. My all-time favorite color is green. So you know, if I see one of these come up in a nice shade of green, y'all know I'm getting it, right? But anyway, I love this tote bag, and because of this tote bag, I gave my daughter my um, Michael Kors tote that I have loved for so many years and worn, and I gave it to her. Now I love this girl. The inside is what looks like a dark navy. It doesn't look black. It could be black. I don't know. Whatever. And as you see, as we all know, it comes with this one large pocket in here up top, but nothing else. And you can put a bag organizer in here. But she's not what we're talking about today. Today we're going to discuss this girl right here. So this one is the one that was released for Valentine's Day, I believe. And it has that brown, it's brown with the signature print. And it has like this wine red, burgundy wine red strap and interior. Love, love, love the interior. And as you can see, I already have stuff in there. So far what I have in this tote, I purchased this one. I was going to get the one with the horse and carriage veggie, but I may get that one later. I just really love how light this tote is, and I can put a number of things in her and she doesn't feel heavy. Like right now, she doesn't feel heavy to me, and she does have stuff in it now. And I love that it snap closes like that and holds its shape. So right now in the upper pocket, all I have is mask and wedding drops from my contacts. I just happen to throw in there. And I have a pack of hand sanitizer, right? Because I like to keep those close to me. Now what's inside, down inside here, as you can see, I have matching pieces for her. So I did purchase the corner zip wallet, which looks like this, and I have a Nolita 19 that matches her as well. So for right now, the Nolita is housing more masks, liners, money, coupon. It has also a card case thing. Lipstick, I can take out my lipstick. I want to take that out. A glove is in here because as a healthcare professional, I always have an extra glove tucked somewhere in my bag just in case it's needed. And on the wallet side, I have extra stuff, toothpick thing and sanitizer. So I have those in one of the card pocket size. And inside the card holder, I have some gift cards, lip gloss, gum, and a few things. So that's it. I found this card holder. It came with a thing that attaches, like you can clip it on or whatever, like one of those clip chains. I got this off of Amazon. I had purchased a pack of 2, so my daughter has one, and I had this one. Now, I decided to keep this in here in case I need to just grab and go, but I may end up taking out the Nolita from the bag and keeping the corner wrist. So what's in the corner wrist right now is my card case, because it has my BLS and my other license behind here. I have just those, and extra contact lens if I need, and the wired earpiece, and just those, right? And you can tell I love to clean my teeth and my gums, so there's more of that right there. And lip balm, it just went flying. So I'm going to take out the Nolita and pack some of the stuff in the that I have in the Nolita into the zip card case. And the reason I jumped out of my card case, I have been loving this little card case so much, you guys, and I gave it somewhere, and I love this piece. The only problem I have with this piece is that I can't put anything in here. I have to force cash in this inner pocket. So I wish that this wasn't so tight when the cards were placed inside, because it just doesn't function properly to give you space to use your innermost pocket on the wallet. But I do so love this wallet. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is my zip around medium ID zip wallet, they call this. Right now I have everything in here. I love how it pulls open. My driver's license is there, my bank cards, my royalty cards, and whatever. I keep those there, and I have stuff stashed in between. I purchased this color when it was available because I realized you can actually stuff this wallet, you guys. I have lots more room to put way more into this wallet, and I really like the design of this wallet, as well as I love the design of this one also, but I prefer the color of this one, if you see where I'm going with that. So anyways, the next thing I have is this little kitty thing. It's a cat, and it has a hook and clasp. Got it in a dollar store in Orlando, and all I have in here is my charger for my phone and my watch. Actually, my phone and my earbuds if I need it. It's the fast charger that's in here. So yeah, keys and a bottle of 90% alcohol. I always carry that with me. So that is what I have so far in my tote. So what's in my bag, that's what was in my bag. And I did not do an unboxing for this bag, so I wanted to show this to you guys. So let me show you what it looks like on me. I'm wearing shorts, y'all. So that's where it hits me, the bag. Okay, that's where it hits on me. And so it's a nice bag, nice shoulder room. I hope that this is enough for you guys to see, but that is how it carries on me. All right, so I really like how it fits. It's not too big, not too small, and I really like it. So there's that. And so I have 2 of the city totes, as you can see, and I really do love how those feel and carry. Now let's reveal this for you. Let's unbox this little girl. I got this morning. It came in. I purchased it before I purchased the city tote, and it did not arrive. I dare say. It did not come in when I thought it would. So I've been waiting to get this wallet in, and this is the Pebble Leather Medium ID zip case. This one is the signature canvas, the canvas signature print. Sorry, medium zip ID wallet. See, so this is that canvas one in the signature print. Well, I decided to get the pebble leather in my favorite color because I saw it available and the price was right, and so I got it. So here we are unboxing the pebble. Oh Lord, this pebble leather feels so good, you guys. Oh, this is my shade of green. Okay, this is my shade of green. This hardware here is silver toned, whereas in the hardware on the canvas signature is gold. That is quite fine with me. I'm fine. It has a green zipper with the silver tone to the zipper, and she opens up like this, and as you can see, the inside is also green. Look at this stuff. Look at her. She's just beautiful. I just love this. The leather feels absolutely buttery and smooth, and I am in love with it. I love how this feels. Can you tell? I am sensory tactile sensitive, so my senses are all just like loving this leather and rubbing my hand on it right now. Anyway, let's get into the features of the wallet. Now, some of you may already know, but for the purpose of those who are not familiar, here you have a very wide, very big, spacious compartment to put your bills. You can put a whole piece of paper document in here if you want to just fold it and put it here. You can carry your bills. You don't have to fold them, as well as you can fold them if you'd like. Some people like to open their bills and put them there. So this is how big. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the whole sheet of paper. So here you have this nice, roomy, spacious wallet, and in this area you have two compartments. I have my finger in the back compartment there, and you have a front compartment right there, back and front. So you have two sections right there in order to store bills or paper. And on the back side here, behind your coin section, you also have space for wallet, more money. If you want to put money here, you could put your money here, or your receipts. Some of you may want to put receipts over in this section and put your cash here. It just depends. It's you. However you want to carry your wallet, whatever you want to do with it, however you organize it. Each woman is different, and we all like to carry our things in different places. Me, I like to store things in the hidden sections. I shouldn't have probably said that, but yeah, I like to stick things, you know, underneath, so it's not that obvious, basically. So, sorry. So, whatever you want to do, you also have room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards here, and the space is roomy, so you can double up cards if you'd like. And over here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your ID window, and cloth, of course, everything is green, and I love it. So here we didn't talk about the coin section. As we know, Coach is very good with the details. They have stamped the name into the zipper pull. So very smooth zipper pull. So you pull it open. It is gusseted on the side. Look at that. You see the gusset right there? So it gives you room to open. So you're not scratching yourself or breaking a nail just to get to your coins. I absolutely adore that with their wallets. I really, really do. So that is your coin section. And as I said, if you don't want to put coins in there, you want to stick a lipstick in here because it can fit, or a gloss. Zipper up. You will not affect the shape of the purse in any way, shape, or form. So if you will have a date night and you want to take this, just grab your wallet and go, instead of bringing a wristlet. You can actually pop your lip gloss or lipstick in there and go about your business. Zip it up, go about your business. You have your ID, you have your card, you have your Vex money, you have everything you need, and go on your date. So here are my tags I just pulled out, and the wallet itself is valued for $188, it says. But of course, I didn't pay that. It was on sale. I don't remember. Says Pebble Leather Medium ID Zip in green, made in Cambodia. I don't need that. And of course, you have your what's this? I always try to find the chip thing and take that out. And then I like to tear off, oh, this is different. So usually the piece of paper here that comes in the stuff has writing all over it and tells you how to clean it, because I've been saving those. Well, this one, it's saying, wear it, love it, pass it on. Look after your Coach product today and tomorrow with our unique Coach Care services. And now there's a code for you to scan with your phone. So I will link to care instructions. I'm still going to save this part and get rid of that part. And this is what I've been doing. I've been saving these pieces with each of my Coach items so that I can remember how to care for my piece. So that's what it is. This has a little tiny nick right here. I don't know, but it's not really that visible, and it's not gonna bother me. It doesn't, no, it's not gonna bother me, but there's a little tiny nick there. And I'm gonna move into this because I like the bright bold green. This is so classy. This is classy. This is, you know, I don't know, like I just really love the classic look of the signature with the canvas with the signature print, but I love even more the plain green with just the leather and the bold color and the inside being green. I just love that. So I'm gonna move into the green one, I dare say, very soon. So that is my unboxing, what's in my bag and all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna redo all of this and move some things out of my Nolita, hang her back where she was, use this piece with the green, because the green actually, look at that, green, yeah, so the green wallet is going to be worn with the tote bag, like so. All right, you guys, enough love. Thank you for watching, and I love my Coach pieces. I've been redecorating, reorganizing all my Dooney pieces, but stay tuned for the next Dooney haul. It's coming up, and I wish you guys well. Talk soon. Enough love. Bye, guys.